Welcome students. This is Adarsh Vidyalaya online chemistry class. Unit 10 Types of chemical reaction. Today discussion topic is one words. First topic, choose the correct answer. First question, hydrogen reacted with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. This is a what type of reaction? Some choices are given. First one is decomposition reaction. Second one is combination reaction. Third one is single displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement reaction. Already you were studying what is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction means a single compound split into two or more similar or smaller substance under suitable condition. Second one is combination reaction. Combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more reactant combine to form a compound. Single displacement reaction means between an element and the compound, when they react, one of the element of the compound, that means reactant, is displaced by the element or reactant to form a new compound and an element. Double displacement reaction, that means when two compounds react, if their ions are interchanged, then the reaction is called as double displacement reaction. Therefore, our reaction, hydrogen reacted with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. This is combination reaction because chlorine reacted with hydrogen to form hydrogen chloride. That means two or more reactant combine to form a single compound. This is a combination reaction. So, first question answer is combination reaction. Second question, photolysis is a decomposition reaction caused by dash. What do you mean by photolysis? Yes, the decomposition reaction is caused by light. That kind of decomposition reaction is called as photolysis reaction. That is otherwise known as photodecomposition reaction. Here main source is light. That light is act as a energy source to decompose the substance. Therefore, answer is light. Third question, a reaction between carbon and oxygen is represented by C plus O2 gives CO2 plus heat. In which of the types the above reaction can be classified? Okay, ma. So, here carbon plus oxygen to gives carbon dioxide. So, that is a combination reaction. Already you are well known. Combination reaction means in a reaction two or more reactant combine to form a compound. So, here two compounds, carbon plus oxygen combine together to form a carbon dioxide. So, this is a combination reaction. And for this reaction, one of the product is heat. That means heat is liberated. Therefore, that is a combustion reaction. Next, that is a irreversible reaction. So, for this reaction is combination reaction, combustion reaction and irreversible reaction. So, answer D. Option D is correct. Fourth question, The chemical reaction Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus NaCl. That is represent for the following type of reaction. For this reaction, this is not a neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction means when acid and base react together to form salt plus water. So this is not a neutralization reaction. Heat is not produced, so that is not a combustion reaction. This is also not a single displacement reaction, but the product barium sulfate is a precipitate. So this reaction is precipitation reaction. So this is a precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction means when aqueous solution of two components are mixed, if they react to form an insoluble compound and insoluble compound. That is called as precipitation reaction. Here, insoluble compound is barium sulfate. So, this is precipitation reaction. Fifth question. Which one of the following statements are correct about a chemical equilibrium? Already we have studied characteristics of chemical equilibrium. One of the characteristics is dynamic in nature. So, first point is correct. Next, the rate of the forward and backward reaction are equal at equilibrium point. So, second statement also correct. For the irreversible reaction do not attain chemical equilibrium. Yes. So, that statement also correct. Fourth point, the concentration of reactant and product may be different. So, that point is wrong statement. So, answer is option A. Because first point, second point and third statements are correct. Next question. A single displacement reaction is represented by X plus 2HCl gives XCl2 plus H2. Which of the following would be X? So, according to activity series, zinc and magnesium are good displacement reagent due to their activity. So, for this reaction, zinc and magnesium are very good reagent. So, best pair is first one and fourth one. So, option D is correct answer. Next question. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an element plus element gives compound type reaction? See the first one, carbon reacted with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. This is also a element gives compound type reaction. Second one, potassium reacted with bromine to form potassium bromide. This is also element, potassium element reacted with bromine, that is also a element to form a compound type reaction. Fourth one also element gives compound type reaction. But third one, C, option C, carbon monoxide plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. This is not a element gives compound type reaction. This is compound plus element gives compound type reaction. So, answer is C. Next question. Question number 8. Which of the following represent a precipitation reaction? Precipitation reaction means when an aqueous solution of two components are mixed, if they are react to form an insoluble compound and a soluble compound. So one of the product is solid. According to that point of view, reactants are aqueous solution. Product one is aqueous solution, another one is solid. So depending upon that point, option C is correct. Okay ma? Question number 9 already we are discussed. So question number 10. Powdered calcium carbonate react more rapidly than freaky calcium carbonate because of powdered calcium carbonate is occupy larger surface area, then only that is involved for reaction very fastly compared to calcium carbonate solid. So answer is option A, large surface area. Next topic, fill in the blanks. First question is, a reaction between an acid and a base is called as, yes, that is neutralization reaction. Second question, when lithium metal is placed in hydrochloric acid, dash gas is evolved. Lithium metal, when metal is reacted with acid, dash gas is produced. Yes, hydrogen gas. So answer is hydrogen. Third one, the equilibrium attained during the melting of ice is known as. Melting of ice means solid ice is converted into liquid ice. So that is physical equilibrium. Fourth one, the pH of the fruit juice is 5.6. If you add slacked lime to the juice, its pH increases or decreases? Yes, increases. Fifth question, the value of ionic product of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 1 into 10 power minus 14. The normal pH of human blood is 7.4. Next question, question number 7. Electrolysis is a type of dash reaction. Yes, that is a decomposition reaction. Next one, the number of product formed in the synthesis reaction is 1. Ninth one, chemical volcano is an example for dash type of reaction. Yes, that is a decomposition reaction type. 10th one, the ion formed by dissolution of H plus in water is called as hydronium ion. H3O plus, that is otherwise known as H plus ion. So that is called as hydronium ion. Next one is match the following. Identify the following type of reaction. First one is ammonium hydroxide reacted with acetic acid to form ammonium acetate plus water. So that is what type of reaction? Ammonium hydroxide, that is base, acetic acid, acid. So acid and base react together to form salt plus water. Yes, that is neutralization reaction. Second equation, zinc is reacted with copper sulfate to form zinc sulfate plus copper. That is, yes, very good. That is a single displacement reaction. Zinc Zn is replaced by Cu ion. So that is a single displacement reaction. Third one, zinc carbonate involved for heating to form zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. For this reaction, heat is involved. So that is a, yes, thermal decomposition reaction. Last one. Ethylene reacted with oxygen to form carbon dioxide plus water plus heat. Yes, oxygen involved for the reaction. Heat is produced, so that is combustion reaction. Next topic, true or false. If false, give the correct statement also. First one is silver metal can displace hydrogen gas from nitric acid. Yes, that statement is false. Correct statement is in the activity series, any metal that are below hydrogen will not react with HNO3. Second question, the pH of rainwater containing dissolved gases like SO3, CO2, NO2 will be less than 7. Yes, that statement is true because if SO3 is presented in rainwater, that is reacted with rainwater to form sulfuric acid, that is acid. Carbon dioxide reacted with rainwater to form carbonic acid, that is also an acid. Nitrogen dioxide reacted with water to form nitric acid, that is also an acid. So, already we are studying pH value is less than 7, that is acidic solution. So, these are the gases reacted with water that is produce acid in the solution. So, our rainwater is containing acid. So, definitely pH value is less than 7. So, this statement is true. Third one, at the equilibrium of the reversible reaction, the concentration of the reactant and the product will be equal. No, that is a false statement. Equilibrium is fully depending upon the rate of the reaction, not depends upon the concentration. So, at the equilibrium of the reversible reaction, does not depending upon the concentration of reactant and product. So, normally that is depending upon the rate of the forward reaction and rate of the backward reaction. Therefore, the correct statement is at equilibrium, rate of the forward reaction is equal to rate of the backward reaction. Fourth question. Periodical removal of one of the product of the reversible reaction increase the yield. Yes, that is true. For the reversible reaction, if you remove periodically one of the product, that is definitely increase the product. Fifth one, and dipping a pH paper in a solution, it turns into yellow. Then the solution is basic. Yes, that is also true. If our solution is basic, definitely pH paper is turns into yellow. Thank you.